Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork ribs tender. First, let's talk about preparation. A crucial step for truly tender ribs is removing the thin membrane on the bone side. This prevents a chewy texture and allows your seasonings to penetrate deeply. After patting your ribs dry, apply a generous dry rub. For best results, let this rub marinate for at least 1 hour or even up to 12 hours in the refrigerator. You can also brine your ribs for 2 to 6 hours to infuse extra moisture and flavor. Now, let's explore the best cooking methods for tender ribs. The key is often low and slow heat, whether you're smoking them or baking them in the oven. This extended, gentle cooking breaks down the tough connective tissues, resulting in that melt-in-your-mouth texture. Braising your ribs in a flavorful liquid like apple cider or broth also adds significant moisture. If you're short on time, a pressure cooker can achieve incredibly tender ribs in as little as 30 to 35 minutes. Understanding the right temperature and time is vital for tender ribs. While pork is safe at 145 degrees Fahrenheit, for truly tender ribs, aim for an internal temperature between 195 and 203 degrees Fahrenheit. When oven baking, a temperature of 275 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 to 3 hours, often covered in foil, works wonderfully. For smoking, plan on 4 to 6 hours at a consistent 225 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, let's talk about how to know your ribs are perfectly tender. A great indicator is the bend test. When you lift the rack with tongs, the meat should crack on top. You can also insert a toothpick or skewer into the thickest part. It should slide in with very little resistance. For that perfect finish, brush your tender ribs with your favorite barbecue sauce and then broil or grill them for just a few minutes to create a delicious, caramelized glaze.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.